Making this video about defunding. Yes, we need to defund animal agriculture. Animal agriculture costs our economy billions of dollars in healthcare costs, environmental pollution like our water, food waste. Yes, it takes about 15 pounds of our crops or grains or corn fed to force-bred animals for just 1 pound of meat in return, or cooked flesh. Very wasteful. So it's a horrible conversion. The only reason fast food and animal products are so cheap is because they get tons of subsidies via the USDA Farm Bill. So where are all the calls to defund them? They torture animals in sick factory farms, destroy our environment, waste tons of resources in our crops while people go hungry even in the US, including children, are food insecure, and much more. This is why healthy, basic whole foods cost more than animal products. Welfare subsidies. Where are the right-wingers who are against socialism when you need them? Also, I'm sick of paying for your socialist public schools when I can go without health care, and your huge child tax credits make birth control free. It will save taxpayers tons of money, future welfare costs and unwanted pregnancies, and actually save your termination rates as well, lower them drastically, almost in half, it's shown in Colorado. So support free birth control, defund animal agriculture, and sick factory farms who are destroying our healthcare system, torturing and terrorizing animals who suffer long-term, destroying our environment and wasting tons of food, leading to more hunger and famine. Thank you. Defund animal agriculture.